Back on Main Street. Look at that! Look at that! Sea coming up at Oliver's restaurant.
The card my parents used to pay me for doing good stuff.
Man, that
This is the card
is
I used to
going.
make money on my own, so I can invest in the things that really matter. Download the app for free.
Hopefully that restaurant will still be there. I like the food. Very good food.
Promote what makes your business great with Vistaprint. Whether it's a business card, a banner, or a postcard, we have the paper stocks, sizes, and design options to create marketing that's right for your business. Give it a try. 500 standard business cards starting at just $9.99 when you use code VP500 at Vistaprint.com.
Just days, Publishers Clearinghouse awards you a $2,500 a week forever prize. Win $2,500 a week for your life. Then after that, someone you choose gets $2,500 a week for their life. Don't miss your final chance to win. Enter at
Wow, look at that.
on October 26th. Win forever.
Brand new house.
When your oral laxative kicks in.
The lighthouse.
Cool.
Getting some water on it.
Try Fleet Liquid Glycerin instead. Relief in minutes, not hours. Guaranteed. Fleet. Every time on your time.
Psoriatic arthritis tries to get in my way? Watch me.
I've tried lots of things to my joint pain.
Now,
Watch me.
Ooh, get away from here.
think I'd give up showing these guys how it's done? Please.
Real people with active psoriatic arthritis are changing the way they fight it. They're moving forward with Cosentyx. It's a different kind of targeted biologic. It's proven to help people find less joint pain and clearer skin.
Look at this thing up
If
there.
you are allergic to Cosentyx, before starting Cosentyx, you should be checked for tuberculosis. An increased risk of infections and lowered ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms of an infection, or if you have received a vaccine or plan to. If you have inflammatory bowel disease, tell your doctor if symptoms develop or worsen.
Look at that
Serious
trail.
allergic reactions may occur.
With less joint pain? Watch me.
For
They got damaged tree fell in the corner.
Ask your rheumatologist about Cosentyx.